Hey guys, it's Krista Tyus here, and in today's video, I want to walk you through some steps on how to take your part-time tax business into a full-time income. So I know a lot of you guys, you might get into tax preparation because it's a good short-term income, right? You can make 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus $1,000 just within a few short months. So quite a few people are enticed to that type of business model, but honestly, from personal experience, that money goes fast, right? You get money quick and you also spend money quick for the most part. And a lot of people, they can't just live off of their tax income. But a very overlooked strategy is really turning your part-time tax business into a full-time entrepreneurial journey for you. That can be really an asset that you can sell at the end of the day, or something that you can pass down to your children. And a lot of people just think as taxes as this side hustle, and it could really be a huge source of revenue for you if you really set your business model up the right way. So I want to walk through a few key pointers on how I was able to actually build out consistent income every single month, because that's the goal here, guys. Getting that one lump sum in income is great. It's no secret I would make 6 figures in the first 16 weeks of the year. And while that business model is very enticing, you want to have that sustainable income throughout the remainder of the year to really carry you from, this time, which is like the June month of 2019, all the way until December again of 2019, going into next tax season. So obviously, the first thing that I'm going to suggest is bookkeeping services, right? I'm going to put bookkeeping up here. And the reason why I like bookkeeping is because it's monthly reoccurring income. And guys, can you say that with me? Monthly reoccurring income, right? That means you do your marketing, you get a client once, you onboard a client once, and you continue to get paid every single month after you get that client. Now, I really don't know any other business model that allows you to do that type of service, to where a lifetime client in bookkeeping lasts about 7 years, right? Ooh, this is running out. 7 years is the average time frame a bookkeeping client stays with you. So if you onboard a client at $500 a month, well, that's a $6,000 per year client, right? And over 7 years, that's about $42,000 over the lifetime of a client. So if you get 5 bookkeeping clients, you're adding multiple 6 figures in lifetime value to your business model. And it's really hard to do this type of strategy with not many other services out there. Now, tax preparation is great. It's an annual reoccurring income, which is still a beautiful business model to have. But bookkeeping allows you to have some sort of stability in your business model, where without a shadow of a doubt that if you go out and upgrade your house or you upgrade your car and you incur an additional monthly expense, that you have monthly income coming in to handle your expenses, your cost of living, as well as growing your business model. So bookkeeping is definitely the very first thing that I would tell you guys to really go forth and try to implement that into your business. Get a few bookkeeping clients paying you $500 a month, $1,000 per month, $2,000 per month. It's definitely possible. And you want to build it up to where you're making $10,000 to $20,000 every single month, and your business is really taken care of with your monthly recurring income. And your tax money, that annual income, is really just gravy. That's money that you can invest in real estate, you can invest stocks and bonds, you can start another business venture, or you could just simply put that back into the business and keep growing your tax and bookkeeping business, right? So the next thing that I want to talk about is tax resolution. Let me get another. Oh, okay. Let's see if one of these work. Okay. So we have tax resolution. Okay. So tax resolution is where you help your clients with more complex tax matters. So you do have to become an enrolled agent to handle like offers and compromises for your clients. But for the most part, that's not the only way to help someone resolve their tax matter. But an offer and compromise is where you look at your client's financial situation and see if they have the ability to pay their IRS tax debt. And based upon their assets, their liabilities, their expenses, you can surmise on whether or not your client will actually qualify for an offer and compromise, which is just the IRS accepting a lower amount and sometimes $0 to settle their tax debt for $0. Now, you do need to become an enrolled agent, and if you are new to my channel, I definitely would implore you guys, if this is a career of yours, if this is your entrepreneurial journey, why not become an enrolled agent? It doesn't take, you don't have to have a bachelor's degree or a master's degree to become an enrolled agent. You can completely self-study and you can take the exam independently. So it's really, how self-motivated you are will indicate on how quickly you can become an enrolled agent. Some people do it in 2 months. Some people take an entire year. Some people do it in 6 months. It really just depends on your self-motivation and your willingness to get the work done and sit for your exams. Now, this is definitely a worthy ideal because you're going to be able to help people from all over the country with their tax matters, helping them resolve their tax liability, helping them just get on track with the Internal Revenue Service, maybe currently non-collectible, maybe helping them abate their penalties and interest. Whatever the case may be, you're going to be able to help your clients at a much higher capacity, and this can be monthly clients that you're going to be able to get into your business well after tax season. Now, the beautiful part of tax resolution is that once you get these tax clients, they typically stay tax clients, right? Once you help them resolve their tax debt, get on track with the Internal Revenue Service and state and local agencies, they typically stay with you. So this could be a huge source of additional revenue for your tax business. Now, the third and final one that I have here, and this is something that I've always been passionate about, but I really couldn't figure out for the longest time how to make it work for me. So sorry for the ring light, guys, but it says financial coaching. So financial coaching is where, you have a very specific outcome that you're helping people achieve, a very specific transformation financially that you're helping people achieve. So this could be, affording their dream wedding and buying their dream house within 12 months. That's a very specific transformation for a very specific group of people. So financial coaching is beautiful because it allows you to step into more of a consulting role, where you're taking a unique step-by-step process and you're helping people achieve this very specific result. And for the life of me, I couldn't figure out how to do this, and I wish I had someone to teach me how to walk through financial coaching and make it work, because it's such a fulfilling job to have, where you're helping people reach these financial goals that they normally wouldn't have thought that they can reach on their own, right? You're helping them bring their dreams to fruition. So this could be definitely a very fulfilling aspect or revenue, additional revenue stream to add to your tax preparation business. Now, some of you are into credit repair. Credit repair is great. I would try to figure out how can I service less clients and make more money, because I know credit repair, you guys have told me that an average credit repair client pays you about $90 per month, and that they stay with you anywhere between 3 and 6 months. So I would try to figure out, with financial coaching, you can charge $1,500, $2,500, $3,500, $6,000 to help people reach a very specific outcome. You can onboard less clients. You don't have to hustle so much as with credit repair, and you can help them achieve a bigger outcome. So this is something that you may want to think about incorporating in your tax business to really give you that long-term sustainability. Now, I'm only giving you guys this information because I know how tough it is after tax season. I know income drops off dramatically, and some of you aren't at the point where you're making six figures right now. You're not making $100,000 from January to April. You probably made $30,000 or $40,000. And while that is beautiful, congratulations, it's still really hard to live off that income for the remainder of the year. You have families, you have expenses, you have travel, you have business expenses that you have to take care of. So really figuring out how to incorporate bookkeeping, how to incorporate tax resolution, how to incorporate financial coaching into your business model will help you build up that reoccurring monthly income well after tax season. And by you doing this, those clients that you're getting by way of bookkeeping, tax resolution, and financial coaching, they will become tax preparation clients. So you're just adding to your tax client base for next season, right? So it's actually, it's a two-way street. It's going to be very fulfilling for you to add this additional service to your tax business. Okay, so that's my little spiel for you guys for today. I also created a new marketing masterclass. So I want to show you guys how to actually get more clients utilizing social media. So it's no secret, guys. I utilize Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, Instagram. You can also do this at networking events, utilizing your sphere of influence. But I created a new marketing masterclass where I'm walking you through this process, and I'm showing you how to utilize social media to grow your business, to get these types of clients. So I'm gonna put the link below this video. Go ahead, check it out. It's about 45 minutes long. Definitely take notes. So get your pen and paper ready. This is a replay, so you don't have to, I think you might have to wait a few minutes depending on what time you actually sign up for the replay, but it will start within 3 to 4 minutes after you clicking on the link and putting in your email. But show up with your notebook, because I am giving you guys the goods on how I utilize social media to grow my business to multiple six figures, how I utilize this strategy to get these types of clients, and how you guys can do the exact same thing. So go ahead, click the link below, sign up for the free marketing masterclass, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.